Dennis Brown, the Crown Prince of Reggae. Dennis Emmanuel Brown, affectionately known as the Crown Prince of Reggae, was born on February 1, 1957, in Kingston, Jamaica. Renowned for his soulful voice, heartfelt lyrics, and prolific output, Brown played a pivotal role in shaping the reggae genre and remains one of its most beloved figures. Music career. Dennis Brown's musical journey began at an early age. Inspired by American soul legends like Sam Cooke and Otis, he started performing as a child. By age 11, he recorded his first song, No Man is an Island, under the guidance of legendary producer Clement Coxsone Dodd at Studio One. This debut set the stage for a remarkable career spanning over 3 decades. During the 1970s, Brown solidified his reputation as one of reggae's most talented artists. His collaboration with producer Winston, Niney Holness produced timeless hits such as Westbound Train, Cassandra, and Wolf and Leopard. These songs, marked by their socially conscious themes and melodic brilliance, resonated deeply with audiences both in Jamaica and abroad. The late 1970s saw Brown's career reach new heights with the release of Money in My Pocket. The song became an international hit and catapulted him to global fame. He continued to release acclaimed albums such as Visions of Dennis Brown and Words of Wisdom, which showcased his ability to blend roots reggae with elements of lovers rock. Brown's collaborations with other reggae legends, including Bob Marley, further cemented his status as a cornerstone of the genre. His influence extended beyond reggae, inspiring countless artists across various musical styles. Dennis Brown was known for his warm personality and magnetic charm, qualities that endeared him to fans and peers alike. Despite his fame, he remained deeply connected to his Jamaican roots and often used his music to address social and political issues. A devoted Rastafarian, Brown's faith played a central role in his life and work. His lyrics frequently reflected themes of love, unity, and spiritual enlightenment, resonating with listeners seeking solace and inspiration. Net worth and recognition. As one of reggae's most prolific artists, Dennis Brown released over 75 albums throughout his career, earning both critical acclaim and financial success. While exact figures are difficult to ascertain, his extensive discography and enduring popularity suggest a significant legacy of wealth and influence. Dennis Brown's contributions to reggae have been widely recognized. In 2011, he was posthumously awarded the Jamaican Order of Distinction for his impact on music. His songs continue to receive airplay and are celebrated as classics of the reggae genre. Legacy. Dennis Brown passed away on July 1, 1999, at the age of 42, leaving behind an unparalleled legacy in reggae music. His timeless voice and powerful messages of love and unity continue to inspire generations of musicians and fans worldwide. Known as the Crown Prince of Reggae, Dennis Brown's impact on the genre is immeasurable. His music remains a testament to his extraordinary talent and his enduring influence on reggae culture.